CB radios are an incredible tool for communication. But before jumping in, it's essential to understand the basics. A complete setup requires four main components: the CB radio, an antenna, a mount for the antenna, and a coax cable to connect everything. While every CB radio is legally limited to 4 watts of power, features such as size, NOAA weather alerts, built-in SWR meters, AM and FM transmission methods all help you decide what model is going to fit your needs. The antenna is the star of the show. Its length, placement, and tuning are crucial for optimal CB performance. Longer antennas generally offer greater range, but proper mounting and grounding are just as vital. Placement can vary based on your vehicle, whether on the roof, rear, side, or in the truck bed, with each affecting signal strength and coverage differently. When installing, ensure you tune your antenna so that your SWR or standing wave is as low as possible to get you maximum performance. Many new CBers make the mistake of rushing their CB installation, leading to high SWR and weak signals or electrical interference. However, by focusing on a balanced setup with high-quality components and a proper installation, your CB radio can become a reliable and effective communication tool for on and off-road adventures and jobs.